start whenever you stop making. Hi guys! Good morning. It is Wednesday, January 31st, last day of January. So incredibly hard to believe. We have had the weirdest winter. So weird. Anyways, today me, Eric, and another couple that we are friends with, we are driving to Chicago for the night. So we are leaving in about an hour to leave for Chicago. So I'm gonna do my hair and makeup. I've got a tea made. I'm gonna drink this tea, try and get caffeinated and get ready, and then we're gonna hit the road. I have 5 minutes left to spare. Ooh, 9 minutes left to spare before Jake and Kate get over here. So I'm gonna hurry up, get dressed, get all of my makeup packed in a bag, and then we are off to Chicago for a fun night away. Holy cats, I'm on time. Today's just one of those days where I'm not sure what lipstick to wear. Probably will end up being red or burgundy, but here's the rest of my outfit. Just wearing this camo jacket. I think it's from Massimo, and then just a couple necklaces. I do have one more necklace I am gonna put on. Just wearing this, black shirt, black pants, and then probably my black studded boots, because what else would I wear? Eric is currently vacuuming out the back of our car because we own 2 dogs. We just drove them to be kenneled for the night, and I don't think Jake and Kate want to sit in the back seat like covered in dog hair. So he's doing that now, and Jake and Kate, I would assume, would be here any minute, and then we're gonna hit the road and pray that I don't have to pee 6 times on this 3-hour drive. Lighting is definitely not the best, but we just wrapped up lunch inside Kuma's Corner, and it's really good, like metal burger joint, but they also have this burger called the Impossible Burger, which is vegan, so Eric can get it, which is choice. So we are finishing up lunch here, and then we're about to go check into our Airbnb and have a couple drinks and hang out, and then we are off to the Young Lean show. Made it to our Airbnb. Let's go inside. What's up, Jake? How you feeling?
Good.
Oh, just a bunch of garbage?
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Oh yeah. Gonna be doing my makeup here. So now we're just gonna hang out and probably drink some beer, and then we will head to the show probably and see where the night takes us. What do you have to say about the show?
Pretty dope. Pretty dope.
It's pretty dope.